Sun's out, guns out. But also sunburns out, so let's do something nice for our skin today, shall we? I'm making rose aloe face tonic. You'll need rose petals. I'm using Rosa Gallica officinalis. And some aloe. Oh boy howdy, this is not easy to do one-handed. But at least the leaf fell on the towel I put down to catch the sap leaking from the cut. Wrap it in some kitchen towel to catch the aloe latex. It's the yellow stuff, we don't want that. Lean the leaf up against something to let the latex drain out. This should take around half an hour to 45 minutes. Rose petals are going in the fridge for now. Aloe is drained, so let's get going by wiping down the outside with a damp cloth to remove any dust or dirt. Cut off the tip, it's just a bit annoying to deal with for this. I'm going to use it, but just not for this. Remove the spines along the sides. And cut into more convenient chunks. Get out a food processor. By the by, all ingredients we're using are edible, so as long as you clean it well after and you don't have any allergies against aloe or rose, you can use the processors for processing food afterwards. Cut the aloe in two and use a butter knife or any blunt edge to remove the flesh from the skin. Basically, remove the green parts and keep the clear flesh. First one will go pretty easily, and as you go the aloe gel gets on your fingers, making things slippery and really annoying, but if you keep a towel nearby to wipe your hands occasionally, you'll be fine. Also, the skins probably still have a bunch of gel on them, so don't throw them out, use them on your skin first. Now add rose petals. And yes, that's a lot, but I like it very intense. Close and pulse until you get a smooth mass. By the by, this rose aloe mesh is a fantastic face mask as well. Scoop a little out and put it on your face for a treat. It smells amazing and hydrates and calms irritated skin. Now add around 50 ml of water and blend a little more. Then strain. And we're done. Put your tonic in a jar, keep it in the fridge, and use it up in about a week. I use cotton buds to apply, and it feels amazing after a day outside. If you made more than you can use up in a week, freeze it in an ice cube tray and thaw as much as needed when you want to use it. Pro tip: keep jars and their lids together. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe?